I want to just quickly show you, and this is how to wire a ranunculus. So I have a peach. So one ranunculus, and the beautiful thing about ranunculus is that they have a hollow stem. So you can shove a wire up and use it to be able to shape it for what you need. So this is a fairly heavy duty wire that I'm just feeding up the stem very gently. And tends to be my trick is to put my finger on the top of the flower head, and then you can feel, once it's hit that bit there, you can feel it go through and you're at a point where you want to stop because it's secure. So I'm going to say there. Always good to have a pair of wire cutters because you end up screwing up your normal scissors. The wire is cut short and I now have a ranunculus that I can gently shape to what I need. And that, my friends, is how I wire ranunculus. Very simple. Wire, just to confirm, it's wire up the stem, feeding it up. Use your finger at the top to hold and make sure the stem doesn't, flower head doesn't break. You're pushing the wire so it's just gone through the join of the flower head and stem, no further, and that is going to hold everything in place.